Substance abuse means alcohol addiction and drug addiction. You may be knowing in your area, in your family, in your office, or in your work area, or in all other areas where people will be addicted to either alcohol or some drug. So the awareness is here that when the alcohol a person takes and is addicted, or to drugs, you will find him that he will be very thin, and he will be not having a good body build up, and at the same time he will not be having good diet. He will be not able to eat food. He will be there will be lot of loss of appetite. He will not have proper sleep. He'll have poor vision, and he'll be all the time thinking of drugs and alcohol only, because his body is prone to this poison of alcohol and drugs. So his thoughts will be constantly in revolving around alcohol and drugs. These chemicals, alcohol and drugs, these substances, are just mood altering, mind altering chemicals, which gives mood swings and other complications to the person using it. He will sometimes feel emotional, he'll feel sentimental, he'll feel depressed, he'll feel upset, frustrated, and he'll go into violence also. So here is the place where one needs to understand that he needs to be advised, and he needs to be we need to talk to him in a proper channel and get him advised. So in this place where the person comes into this category of addiction, he can no longer stay without drugs and alcohol. So in this place, when we find a person within our reach, we have to suggest him that he needs to go and meet a doctor and get himself detoxed, and he has to be under medical rest. He needs counseling, and if necessary he needs to be given a family counseling, and he needs to undergo bed rest, and he needs to be fully cool and calm in his mind. So doctors could prescribe him some medicines of that sort, because once the medical part is solved, all kind of a depression, psychological problems, psychiatric problems, and all other problems which is caused due to alcohol and drugs comes down. Due to alcohol drinking and drug abuse, a person goes into schizophrenia, depression, and bipolar disorders, and he comes into lot of psychiatric problems, he sometimes be upset, he is very frustrated, violent. These are all common problems. So once he meets the doctor, a physician, he could advise him what to do and what not to do. So once he comes into the detox frame, he will feel calm and serene, And the next part, these are all the awareness, a person needs to know. The alcohol and drugs can lead to coma, it can lead to schizophrenia, as I said earlier, it can lead to bipolar disorders and coma, which I said, and it could also lead to poor vision and loss of vision, and this could affect the liver to the largest extent. And in many cases, death is first. Some people may get cured through medicines, some can get cured after a longer run, and some people will be cured, but some persons cannot be cured due to the poison of alcohol and drugs, which creates death to the person. He dies because of this alcohol addiction and drug addiction. The body cannot accept more and more alcohol or drugs, so he comes to that stage where he dies or she dies. We come across many deaths like this, alcohol prone deaths. So this is one part. And now, how to come out from these problems? The problems are basically, as you've been knowing, that it's due to alcohol and drugs, so you can join a AA meeting, NA meeting, where lot of people share their experience, strength and hope, and help each other stay sober and serene. Here they talk about their common problems and help each other come out from their common problems. Here they are told to meditate, say prayers, and regular exercises, regular food, not to skip breakfast, not skipping lunch, not skipping dinner, doing exercise, reading books, listening to the best and favorite music. All this will relax the mind, and it will keep you away from stress. It will keep you away from craving, withdrawals. These cravings and withdrawals are the main key elements which cause the person to go and drink, or feels that he needs to have a drink or a drug. So a regular exercise, meditation, prayers, exercise, good healthy meals without missing and skipping any breakfast, lunch or dinner. In between he can add juices, fresh juice, or he can eat fresh fruits. This will keep him healthy. When the body starts accepting healthy foods, the crave and withdrawals for drug and alcohol come slowly and slowly down. It takes a process, but you have to stay determined. You have to be determined. Should have that self willpower that you can live it. So once you join the AA meeting or the NA meeting, you talk to people, you talk to members who have left alcohol or drugs for many years, and you meet people who want to leave alcohol and drugs and come to this meeting, to stay clean and sober. So when you come in contact with them, they will give you tips and suggestions how to come out from addiction. So when you constantly come to meetings or log into online meetings in the Zoom platform, you come to a solution where you get number of ideas, suggestions and tips, advices how to leave alcohol and drugs on a one-day basis, at one day at a time, and lead a normal life. We come across accidents, poor vision, psychiatric problems, schizophrenia, bipolar disorders. These are all because of drugs. These are natural also. It comes to normal people who don't use drugs and alcohol. It comes through people who get addicted to substance also. So, but people who get addicted to alcohol and drugs and come into depressions, the treatment is quite complicated at times than the normal person who gets the same illness. So once you leave alcohol and drugs, slowly taking medication, doing meditation, saying prayers, exercise, good food at best times, your sleep comes back to normalcy, you put on weight, and your thinking pattern changes. You start having pleasure in your mind, you feel happy, and that void is not there at all. In one part or the other there will be emptiness, but this can be substituted by going to meetings. After going to meetings, you feel that you are relieved, this alcohol addiction and drug addiction leads to other secondary problems also, like smoking, gutka and all. So when the secondary addiction progresses and roots in all directions, it becomes very difficult to leave up drugs and alcohol also. So secondary addictions also can be curtailed one step at a time, slowly and gradually.